So here's how to get Temu free gift. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. Once you're in the Temu homepage, you can browse and purchase a wide variety of products. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on You. Once you're on the profile page, tap on Coupons and Offers at the top right. Here, you can view all the available coupons and offers on Temu. You can also enter the coupon code in the text bar and tap on Apply. If you want to use any coupon or offer from here, then tap on Get beside it. Once you're in this page, you can choose the free gifts you want from here. After that, tap on Checkout for my free at the bottom right corner. And that's it. You can now easily get free gift on Temu.